Hello all, welcome back to our new video. So at today's video we are going to look how to make a chatbot to enable in your website. Okay, so let's start the video. So first thing which we need to do is we need to visit a website called collect.chat. Okay, and make sure that you are ready with your websites. Okay, so when you come here, you will be getting a win. Today we are going to learn about how to make a website, embed a chatbot in website. See, like this. This is the example. So when a user click on that, see they can see the messages like this. And the next thing is that when the page comes, you need to log in with your mail ID. After that, when you come in second time, you will be seeing the option like this dashboard. So after you are logging into your account, you will be getting this page and just press on create a new bot. Press new bot, and next thing is that just press on this widget and just press on from start and just press on that last button. So after that, this is the first thing is position. So at which position you need the chatbot at your website. If it's in bottom, press this button. If it's in middle button, you can press it. If it's in left side, you can press this button. So the thing is that so that is as you wish, and the next thing is that here we can select the logos. See, different types of logos are here. See, so avatar for our chat. Okay, we can choose any type of avatar for our chat. See, many types of avatars are there. Okay, so at here we can choose any avatar, so I'm just now choosing this. And also if you need, you can select a new, you can upload the avatar from your device also. Okay, so that's also possible there. And here the next thing is that colors, you can put the color which you like. The third thing is that script. So here we need to script how our website need to be. See, like if you are so like first thing, so you can script it here. So when you open it, you will be getting like this type of window, and now select it and just press on this delete tab and press on s, and like this delete tab, press on s. Now if you need to put a message, just press on that and just click on it, and now you can type your message. Hi. So next we can ask a question. How is classes, and anything you can ask here. Okay, see here we will be putting options like good and bad. We can ask for mail IDs, like just press on email and what's your email. And also if they type a normal message, this will show please enter a valid email address. So we can edit it also and just press on that. That also will be possible here. And if we need to ask a phone number, we can ask it also. Okay, so next thing, if you need to ask a query, just press on this text question. So and now just type here, please type your query. Okay, and the next thing, just press on that. And at last, just press on this thank you tab, and now just click on it for personalizing it. Thank you, nice chatting with you. And now enable redirect button, you need to just turn it off. Okay, so and here you can put the message, you will get solution mailed soon. So like so this is the step. So by this method we can create the chatbots. Okay, now after this uh, we need to just go to this share button. So the next thing is how to embed it on your website. So for embedding it here on your website, see here we can see many options. like website. If it's a WordPress website, you can put it here, and many things are there. Here is the link also. And if it's in Shopify, like that type of things, you can use this. If it's a email, you can just share it. Okay, so if you want to embed it in your website, you just press on this copy. So if you need to embed it on a Google sites, you can use this option, and other sites also it will be good, I think. And after that copying, you need to just create a new page. Okay, create a new page, full embed page. Okay, if that option is not available, you can embed it on a normal page, but a full page is required for this, then only it will be good. Uh, if you are not interested in giving full page, you can give it at the home page itself. For that, just double click and just press on this embed. That's as per according to your websites. Like WordPress, the trick is different, so I'm just doing it on the Google sites. Now after that, press on this next, then insert. So I'm inserting it, and now just arrange the position. So we have arranged the positions. And now the next thing, oh, we have forgot to do one thing. After this all things, just press on this publish. Okay, then only the changes will be there. And now let's just check the preview. So when a user comes in a mobile, see, they can see a window like this, hi. So when they press on this, they will be getting a chatbot like this. See, good. So I'm just giving good email address, trial at. I'm just giving trial at. See, give the message at enter a valid mail address. Okay, trial at Gmail. If a user enters like this type of mail, it will take now. And now a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A number. And now please type a query trial. And after that, you will be getting the thank you message. So this now you have a doubt that how could I see the user responses. So every responses will be mailed to you. So I will show it. So when you go to your mail ID, you can see the users responses there. So now the net is low, so I am not taking it. So after every responses, you will be getting the mail. Okay, so that's all. So hope today's video is good. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.